It's very creative and fun.
It helps your career. I like that you can make your own business and you can sort of work as a team to choose which cars you want and everything. The thing I like about this course is because we can make loads of be creative and earn money for the school.
They just love it because it's creative. Most children are creative. Even if they don't enjoy making the cards, they enjoy collecting the materials and the glue and the scissors. So they love the actual card making. But I've found throughout doing the projects that they actually love the business side of it as well. And the whole point of it is to teach them about business. Most children think about their future and think about careers and jobs, and maybe enterprise and entrepreneurship isn't an option that they consider, and that's what we want to do at Get Set for Business, is to help them to think about entrepreneurship.
We run workshops with young people within the North West, helping them to think about enterprise and learn about business in a really sort of informal and practical way. So they actually do set up mini enterprises and make products and sell those products.
So they get a real sense of whether the project actually works, whether the product is viable, whether they can sell it, what profit and loss is all about, don't they?
Absolutely, yeah. What we do with the young people is we get them to think about the cost of the product. So every single material they use is costed, in terms of the selling price.
Are they enthusiastic, or do they see business as an area they could get into?
I think that's part of the point of the project for me personally, is that it's allowing all sorts of people from all sorts of walks of life, particularly disadvantaged young people, to have a vision of the future, really, because those that aren't necessarily strong academically may have low confidence and don't think they can achieve anything in the future, whereas actually they thrive from business and practical tasks such as these, and it gives them that confidence. I think programs like The Apprentice have made it almost difficult for people to think, well, I can't achieve that, that's too high for me. So what we're trying to do is to bring it back down to their level and say, yes, you can do this. You don't have to have A grades in maths to be able to do it. You can do it, and you can build a better future for yourselves, and businesses are a great way for them to do that.